You need to hear this. If you're dreaming of cashing in on TikTok, there's a lot of hype out there. Let's cut through it. Here's what TikTok won't tell you about making real money. First things first, yes, you can make money with TikTok, but it's not as simple as posting a few fun videos and watching the dollars roll in. TikTok's official creator fund requires you to have at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. But even then, don't expect life-changing cash. The creator fund pays about 2 to 4 cents per thousand views. That viral 1 million view video, maybe $40. So where's the real money? Sponsorships from brands, affiliate deals and partnerships, selling your own merch. That's where creators cash in. And to attract brands, you need a loyal, engaged audience, not just big numbers. Also, keep in mind, monetization is different from going viral. You can have one big hit, but sustained success comes from consistent, quality content. Myth-busting time, buying followers or chasing trends won't help you in the long run. TikTok's algorithm wants genuine engagement, so focus on building a community, not just getting views. And yes, it takes effort. Most creators work for months, sometimes years, before seeing serious income. Bottom line, making money on TikTok is possible, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Treat it like a side hustle, invest in your craft, and you just might turn those likes into real income. Want more myth-busting tips? Smash that like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Visit the link in my profile to get access on how successful monetization on TikTok is a lot easier than YouTube.